Wait, we gotta go for the video this time. It's a great sound bite.